It all started, parang I started with the Facebook Marketplace nung college ako just to make a little bit of money on the side. Ganun yung naging story ko. I was purely a hustler way back college pa talaga, making um, anything I touch, parang lagi ko nakikita, okay, I can flip this for a little bit of profit. Alam mo yun, back then, estudyante ka eh. So, you needed money to sustain that lifestyle na may college. So, ganun, I built the Facebook page. Iba pa nga pangalan dati ng page eh. So, yun, I started selling stuff. And then, up until the time na napaubos ko yung first batch na nabili ko doon sa ex-colleague ko na mga items. So, napaubos ko yung items, I made a profit from this batch. So, doon ko siya nagustuhan. Sabi ko, this can actually be a business na pwede kong simulan and buhayin ko yung um, for me kasi scatter supply. It's not just a business for me to make money eh. For me, it makes sense for me to open a sneaker store in Sorsogon because one, it's a family legacy. Doon nakilala kami na parang, okay, sila Flores ngayon, sila yung nagbibenta ng mga original na sapatos. So I wanted to continue that family business. At the same time, lumaki kasi akong nakakakita ako sa bahay ng madaming sapatos. Kaya medyo mahilig din talaga ako sa sapatos personally. So it's not just a money for me, but it's more of like a family business, a passion of mine. At the same time, dito kasi sa Sorsogon, it's a growing city eh. Kaya parang gusto kong mag-build ng community, mauna sa market na okay, this is the scatter supply na who offers and sells original sneakers. At the same time, when you visit the store, you will feel the experience na okay, this is something na trustworthy. This brand is trustworthy where I can source out all my authentic pairs from. So, ganon. Back then, 5 years ago, I was working full-time in a telco company based in Legazpi. I hate my job back then kasi parang feeling ko I can do more and offer more sa market who can make me who I can make a better salary of because that's how I'm cocky enough that I can deliver Yun, nung nakita ko na nagsisimula na ako na feel ko na yung business is nag-earn na ng money. 2021, around April of 2021, I decided to resign from my job. I don't know kung ano yung mangyayari. Ang alam ko lang is I wanted to start a business and I wanted to pursue reselling sneakers. And bahala na, wala akong any job offer, any job prospects. Basta nag-resign na lang ako sa work. I have this X amount of capital. Punta ng Manila. Where it all started. Na parang I only had like 50K capital. Big part of that capital was parang galing pa dun sa last 2-3 months of salary ko. At the same time, yung separation fee ko from my old job. Okay, let's transition from selling sneakers or moving products online to actually doing it on an actual pop-up. So parang that's all where it all started. So parang sabi ko, okay, for me to gain more traction online, more interest online, let's do a pop-up. So, yun, 2022, I started doing pop-ups. Nagsimula pa ako dun sa Rompiolas, Rompiolas, Sorsogon. Fresh from Manila, I have the stocks. Zero balance. Kasi sinugal ko na sa first batch of stocks ko from Manila yung hawak kong pera nun eh. Zero balance talaga ako. I started pop-ups, unemployed. So, yun. Started gaining momentum, gaining the trust of the market. And tinuloy-tuloy ko na up until fast forward this 2024, there was an opportunity. So, I decided to open up a physical store and yan na.